Attention! If you think backyard play is just about running around with plastic toys, you're living in the past. Every kid dreams of being a hero, a soldier, a member of the elite special forces. But to be the best, you need the gear of the best. Today, we are taking playing Army and elevating it to a Tier 1 tactical operation. We've sourced the ultimate combat loadout from Amazon to transform your son into a real-life Navy SEAL. His friends won't just be impressed, they'll be stunned. This is the TechVibe USA guide to the ultimate tactical upgrade. Before you pick up a weapon, you need the skin of a warrior. We're starting with the full tactical military suit. This isn't a cheap Halloween costume. It's a comprehensive 10-piece kit designed for real outdoor adventure. It features high-quality, breathable camouflage fabric with a windproof zipper collar and reinforced pants. But the heart of this kit is the multifunctional tactical vest. It uses foam-filled plates to maintain a realistic, three-dimensional shape, so your kid looks like a pro, not a mascot. From the thickened helmet with an adjustable chin strap to the tactical gloves and the large-capacity backpack, this suit provides the psychological edge needed to dominate the battlefield. When he steps out in this, the game officially changes. Now, let's talk firepower. To lead a mission, you need the high-performance electric gel blaster. This beast is built from reinforced nylon, giving it a heavy, durable feel that stands up to the toughest outdoor battles. We're talking about 140 feet per second of pure power and a range of 80 feet. With a staggering firing rate of 15 rounds per second, jam-free preloading, and a 1400 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, he'll have the sustained fire needed to hold any position. But what makes this a Navy SEAL level tool is the targeting system. It comes with dual mechanical sights and a holographic scope for precision strikes. The quad rail design even allows for extra lasers or flashlights. It's not just a blaster, it's a tactical advantage. In the real world, special forces don't go in without heavy armor support. Enter the 1:16 scale M1A2 Abrams main battle tank. This is a highly detailed reproduction of the US Army's primary war machine. It features an advanced 2.4 GHz control system, allowing for independent suspension and a turret that rotates 320 degrees. The barrel even recoils when firing. With simulated sound effects and a real smoke system, this tank creates an intense, immersive war zone right in your driveway. It's perfect for multi-tank infrared battles, allowing your kid to coordinate ground assaults while he moves in on foot. It's the ultimate collector's piece that doubles as a terrifying battlefield asset. To be a true Special Forces operator, you have to outsmart the enemy. That's where the Skywin remote control toy comes in. Imagine the look on his friends' faces when they walk into a carefully planned ambush. This battery-operated unit responds with zero delay, allowing your kid to trigger a surprise explosion of gel balls at the perfect moment. It's the ultimate tool for defending a base or setting a trap. It adds a layer of strategy that most kids have never experienced, teaching them to think 2 steps ahead of the opposition. It's simple to set up, but deadly effective in a backyard skirmish. A mission is won or lost on the radio. To stay connected, we're deploying the Camo Walkie-Talkies. These aren't just toys. They feature 22 channels, a 3-mile transmission range, and Vox hands-free technology. Whether they're navigating the jungle of the backyard or a local park, these radios keep the squad synchronized. They even come with paracord survival bracelets. This teaches teamwork and communication, the 2 core pillars of any elite unit. Plus, it gives you, the parent, a direct line to the command center to call them back for dinner once the mission is accomplished. Transformation complete. From the boots on the ground to the heavy armor on the flank, this is how you take childhood imagination and turn it into an elite experience. Your son won't just be playing, he'll be leading. All the tactical gear, the Abrams tank, and the high-performance blasters are linked in the description below. If you're ready to upgrade your family's outdoor adventures, hit that like button and subscribe to TechVibe USA. The future of play is tactical. Dismissed.